So let's talk about that customs bonded warehouse class 3. What exactly does that mean?
So what that allows, it allows you to bring your goods into the United States and store them in a warehouse, have a inventory that you can readily distribute potentially to clients without having to pay your customs duties on the import of that material until that good is sold. So until you secure a buyer for that good, that material can sit in the facility duty free, where you're paying simply the unload fees, storage costs for that material, and then buying yourself time to secure a buyer, and then paying those duties only for the portion of that good that is being directly sold to that buyer. It doesn't obviously exist without certain restrictions. There are certain classifications of merchandise based on your commodity type that you can't doesn't qualify for the placement in a bonded warehouse. But again, that falls into just understanding what your commodities are, what your material that you're taking to market is, and how we can best meet your needs. So the one biggest thing to note about that is that the whole Customs Border Protection Agency has full span of control over the merchandise until it's withdrawn for consumption. So that can include inspections and various other different customs related things where they are in overall overseeing and control of your material while it exists in that state within the customs bonded warehouse.
Right. And in a class 3 bonded warehouse, there's no manipulation to those goods,
Yeah.
like other bonded warehouses. The other benefit of a class 3 bonded warehouse, especially in today's market, is with those Section 301 tariffs that are slapped on Chinese goods, you're looking at up to 25% additional duty on imported product. So if you haven't secured a buyer yet, you can store those goods in a class 3 customs bonded warehouse. You don't have to pay the duty that's already placed on those goods. You don't have to pay the additional duty that's placed on those goods. You do have to pay the MPF and HMF taxes, which are minimal compared to those duties, until you do secure that buyer. There's also methods of actually not having to pay duty at all if this product is re-exported back out of the country. So it's definitely something to look into, talk to us about. Our consulting team is very helpful, and we are offering free consultations to talk to you about it. So definitely email us at consulting@scarborough-intl.com to talk to us about these opportunities.